In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up direct deposits to Cash App. Cash App is a full-service banking and investing app. They have a cash balance at the top of the screen, savings, stocks, Bitcoin. You can have your paychecks or direct deposits come here, and then you can use the Cash App card to spend your balance. They also have peer-to-peer payments. I'm going to go back to the money screen, and from here to add direct deposits, you can do this two ways. You can tap on Paychecks, or you can tap on direct deposit below that. From Paychecks, you just want to scroll down and click add or update direct deposit, or just tap right on direct deposit. If you have an employer that's sort of connected to Cash App, you can just tap get started and select your employer here. If not, you can use the manual setup. It will show your routing and account number here. And then you can go to your employer website or app, put in this routing and account number, and continue the process. So I'm gonna do the manual setup right now. So as you guys can see, here's the form that I'm filling out for my employer. You're putting in all of your information, account number, confirm account number, routing number, and the bank name that you're gonna use is Sutton. And then just click confirm. Once you've provided these details to your employer, you should be all set. And you just need to wait for your next paycheck to come in to show up in Cash App. However, some employers may want to do a verification. One of the most popular ways for verification is they'll send two small payments, like let's say 2 cents and 5 cents, to this account that you've provided. You'll then be able to come into your Cash App activity and verify that those 2 small payments were sent and confirm the amounts on your employer's website or app. After you've done that, you should definitely be set up with the correct details to receive your paychecks here in Cash App. If your employer wants you to physically bring in or mail them a form, you can use the fill out form tool at the bottom of the screen. Just go through the steps and it's pretty easy to do. For me, the payments from that employer won't take effect until next month. So towards the end of next month, I should start receiving direct deposits from that employer here in my Cash App. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know if you have any questions down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.